Welcome to luxurious elegant interiors, where elegance meets nature in breathtaking harmony. Imagine waking up in a space where every detail is curated to soothe your senses and elevate your spirit. This is not a distant fantasy, this is the essence of Bali. A paradise where sunlight filters through palm leaves, the ocean breeze carries the scent of frangipani, and the sound of waves soothes the soul. Today, we're stepping into the world of Bali's most exquisite luxury interior designers, the creative minds who craft havens of tranquility using nature, tradition, and artistry. They're not just decorators, they are storytellers. Their work evokes emotion, invites stillness, and redefines what it means to live in luxury. But what is their secret? What makes Balinese luxury design so compelling? And how can you incorporate a touch of this magic into your own home, no matter where you are? If you've ever dreamed of transforming your home into a sanctuary where beauty and peace coexist, this video is for you. We're about to uncover the design philosophies that set Bali apart. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to create a space that not only impresses but also nourishes your soul using principles born from the serene island of Bali. Bali, nestled in Southeast Asia, is famed for its lush landscapes, sacred temples, and deep cultural roots. Its interiors reflect centuries of spiritual heritage through design. the Hindu-Buddhist influence still shapes Balinese architecture. From stone carvings to symbolic decor, these traditions infuse interiors with purpose, narrative, and serenity. Luxury designers in Bali go beyond aesthetics, they create experiences. Their goal? To blend architecture with nature in seamless harmony, using native materials and light. Imagine walking barefoot on cool stone floors, surrounded by handcrafted wooden elements and open spaces that breathe with the rhythm of the environment. They favor materials like teak, rattan, bamboo, and lava stone not for trend, but for timelessness. Each surface tells a story of the land it came from. The color palette speaks of quiet luxury, soft whites, warm beiges, and natural grays that create a serene backdrop for layered textures and handcrafted details. Hand-woven textiles, cotton cushions, jute rugs, and locally made decor add character and comfort. Every element is intentional, every choice reflective of the Balinese soul. Lighting plays a crucial role. Instead of harsh artificial light, designers use ambient glows, lanterns, candles, recessed lights that mimic the sun's warm embrace. But it's in the details that true Balinese luxury reveals itself. Hand-carved doors, sacred statues, and ornaments steeped in tradition and spirituality. These elements aren't just beautiful, they are meaningful. They transform homes into sacred retreats, inviting peace, mindfulness, and reflection. Water is another key feature. Pools, fountains, and reflective ponds aren't just aesthetic, they represent life, flow, and spiritual cleansing. The sound of water becomes part of the design, bringing rhythm, calm, and a meditative quality to every corner of the house. For Balinese designers, luxury means simplicity with soul. It's not about opulence, it's about connection to the land, the light, and the inner self. Whether designing a coastal villa or a contemporary urban apartment, they create spaces that breathe with intention and resonate with tranquility. This design ethos reminds us that true luxury is the ability to pause, to feel, to be present. It's an experience of harmony rather than excess. If you're dreaming of a home that reflects your inner peace, consider the wisdom of Balinese design. Start with textures, light, and elements of nature. Even a small corner can become a sanctuary. You don't need to live in Bali to feel its magic, you just need to design with meaning. Let us know in the comments, which Balinese element would you love to bring into your home? A hand-carved feature, a peaceful water element? Share your vision. Bali teaches us that luxury isn't loud, it whispers. It invites us in softly, reminding us that beauty can be calm and elegance can be humble. Thanks for watching Luxurious Elegant Interiors. Don't forget to subscribe and explore our next video, where we reveal more inspirations from around the world.